Filmora 15 versus Movavi Video Editor. Which AI video editor is actually worth it? You're looking for a video editor that's fast, packed with AI, and won't take a month to learn. Today, we are putting Wondershare Filmora 15 head-to-head against Movavi Video Editor. No fluff, no fake features, just real performance, verified user ratings, and the exact pricing. Let's jump right in. Installation size and disk space. First up, how heavy are these programs on your PC? Filmora 15 is a beast. It requires at least 10 gigabytes of free hard disk space just for the installation. If you have an older laptop or limited SSD space, you're going to feel this. Movavi, on the other hand, is incredibly lightweight. It only requires a minimum of 250 megabytes of free hard disk space for installation and about 2 gigabytes for ongoing operations. If you want something quick that won't bog down your system, Movavi takes an early lead. The interface. Movavi's interface. Movavi is famous for being incredibly intuitive. It's clean, colorful, and strictly built for beginners and casual creators. If you want to drag, drop, cut, and export in 5 minutes, Movavi gets out of your way. Filmora 15's interface. Filmora looks a bit more like a traditional professional editor, like Premiere Pro. It has multiple panels, deep color grading wheels, and a massive stock library built right into the app. But it gives you way more room to grow as a creator. The real AI features. Everyone claims to have AI, but what tools actually save you time? Movavi AI. Movavi keeps it highly practical. Their core AI tools include flawless AI background removal, no green screen needed, highly accurate AI noise removal for cleaning up bad microphone audio, and instant AI motion tracking to pin text or graphics to moving objects. Filmora 15 AI. Filmora goes completely overboard, in a good way. It includes smart cutout for masking objects, an AI copilot that acts like a chatbot inside the editor to tell you how to use features, AI text-to-video generation, and AI audio translation for quick dubbing. Filmora is definitely the winner if you want cutting-edge AI toys to play with. What do real users say? Capterra ratings. Filmora scores a solid 4.5 out of 5. Users love the features, but occasionally complain about the heavy software lagging on older PCs. Movavi Video Editor surprisingly pulls ahead with a massive 4.8 out of 5. Users absolutely rave about how crash-free, simple, and fast it is for casual video creation. Pricing. Now, the wallet check. Filmora 15, starting at $19.99 per month. They do offer annual and perpetual licenses, but the monthly tier is a bit pricey if you're on a budget. Movavi starts at $54.95 per year. Breaking that down, Movavi is significantly cheaper over a 12-month period. Conclusion. So, which one should you choose? Choose Movavi if you have a lower-end PC, want to save hard drive space, and just need to get videos edited quickly and painlessly without a learning curve. Choose Filmora 15 if you are serious about YouTube, want advanced AI generation tools, need more complex layering, and have a strong enough PC to handle the heavier software. Which editor are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more software reviews. See you in the next one.